are sensitive ones. You are sensitives. Sensitives on so many levels. Sensitive on your planet has been said with a sneer or a roll of the eye. Sensitive, too sensitive. Perhaps you've heard this growing up. Sensitive in all your bodies. A sensitive is one who absorbs the vibratory nature of all things, who understands and communicate on that level. There is such an overload of sensitivity in sensitives that often the emotional body has been triggered and imbalances have been caused. As you breathe this evening, recognize the times you have criticized the self or been criticized for being too sensitive in the emotional body. And thank your emotional body for being a doorway into the sensitivity of the other etheric bodies. You are learning now how to release, how to cloak, how to take care of the vibratory body with vibrations of flowers, with vibrations of gems, with vibrations of tones. Sound vibrations, tones, vibrational medicines coming from rocks, flowers, stars, moon, sun, sky, elements. These vibrations will be extremely helpful into moving through this new age with peace and with harmony. This new moon, as all new moons, offers an opportunity to ground your intentions in the third dimension, to ground intentions that are chased with the vibration of the fifth dimension, sixth dimension, higher dimensions, angelic force. The vibration of the angelic force is very powerful at this time, and that is particularly one of the reasons we called you this evening. On the last full moon, the full moon of August, the full moon in Pisces, we suggested to the channel that you come together and create a circle. Your circle is a circle within circles. Your circle is vibrating in each and every one of you as you join together with your intentions of peace and harmony, of being the light in your world. Your circle within each one of your cells and in your whole being, in your circulatory systems, in your planet, your circles within circles. You're moving into a new stage of the year, the autumnal equinox coming close. These circles are all around you. You are gathering energy from the circles. You are gathering energy from the spheres, the planets, the earth itself. Right now, you are gathering it. Visualize it however you visualize it. Circles. Drawing the breath in through the center of the circles, drawing the circles in on the breath. The circles are like pebbles in the pond, in the pool. They are expanding. They're gentle vibrations. They are expanding. Your human ear is not attuned in the majority to hear the vibratory voices, to hear the vibrations that are singing your world into a new form. And yet you can attune it by listening to sound vibrations from crystal bowls, from metal bowls, from bowls that have been created to help bring tones into your system. The tones that resonate within your own body as you chant, you you tone, those tones that resonate in your body create more of the vibratory spheres around you, the vibratory circles around you. So you are like the pebble in the pool creating the circles. You are the circles. You are both. Drawing the breath in once again. Tone again 5-6 times in the lower octave, connecting to that second chakra and connecting that second chakra to the root chakra and connecting that root chakra to the Mother Earth where you have sent your roots, to the new healed whole Mother Earth. As you connect those three with the vibrations, let your ear tune to the vibration within you, on your bones, your teeth, in your blood as it hums, helping bring your vibration up, to hold the vibration of ascension easily and gently. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Feel the vibration in your blood, in your cells, in your third eye. New moons and full moons, all the stages of the moon are important. At the new moon and the full moon, the energy is very condensed. Think of the new moon as the beginning of birth. Think of the new moon as the seed of creation. Think of the new moon coming together, yin and yang, preparing to grow, to give birth in the full moon, to slough away and start the cycle again. Birth and death, birth and rebirth, birth and death. Once you understand the rhythm of it and find a way to be with the rhythm of it inside yourself, the fear of death, the fear of ending, becomes so much less that it actually changes the face and the vibration and the manifestations on the planet. Vibrational healing, sound, your own voice, the vibrations within inside your being as you connect with the soul energies. These vibrations are extremely powerful at this time. The vibrations of flowers. I have given you this information for some time now. There are those on the planet that are gathering information in an empirical way, creating books, creating mother tinctures, creating vibrational medicines that you can use. We say this to you. Why not use them? Open your consciousness to them. You have them in your cupboards and your closets. Forget to use them every day. Even putting a small vial in your pocket or wearing it on your heart line, holding it to the heart chakra, will keep you connected to that vibratory field. You are moving, humming, riding the waves of vibration into the new age.